What's up guys, it's Ben over at Kaplan Cycles. We got another tin set for you. It's a 2004 Harley-Davidson Fxdwg, otherwise known as the Wide Glide. Guys, this color is a N.O.S tin set in luxury teal. Gonna be very hard to find something this clean from '04. If you guys are looking for N.O.S tin sets, you know who to call. Kaplan Cycles, 860-471-0192. Ask for Ben.